this video, we'll review how to power up your Thermo TSG series laboratory freezer and change its temperature set point. Before powering up your freezer, it's important to verify that the display sensor is properly installed in the glycol bottle. Once that is verified, connect the power cord to the freezer and plug it into a dedicated circuit. Then, turn the power switch to on. Now that your freezer is up and running, we can show you how to change the temperature set point. TSG series freezers come with the factory set point of -25 degrees Celsius and are designed for optimum performance and alarm notifications at that temperature. Before changing the temperature set point, we should note that changing the set point or other parameters could adversely affect the performance of your freezer. We should also note that the maximum temperature of the freezer is -15 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is -29 degrees Celsius. Let's start by unlocking the keypad on the user interface of the controller. Press and hold down the Program button for 3 seconds. You'll see 3 dashes appear on the screen to confirm that the keypad is unlocked and that you've entered direct access programming. In the default settings, the user password is set to 0 and is not required when unlocking the keypad and entering direct access mode. If the password has been set to a value other than 0, that value needs to be entered. Icons will appear on the screen. Some of the icons will be flashing and others will not. Flashing icons indicate that the associated function is disabled. Icons that are not flashing indicate that the function associated with that icon is enabled. Functions can be toggled on or off by pressing the associated icon. You can refer to the user manual for an overview of the icons and their associated functions. Press the Program button again to enter programming mode. You'll see up and down arrow buttons flashing, and the first category of parameters, DIR, or direct functions, will be displayed. To change the temperature set point, scroll through the Program menu using the up and down arrow buttons until you see the letters CTL, or Control menu. This gives you access to parameters such as the temperature set point. Press the Program button again to select CTL, and the Control menu will display. The first option in the Control menu should be ST, or set point. Press Program again to display the set point parameter value. Then use the up and down arrows to change the set point value to your desired temperature set point. Once you've entered your desired temperature set point, press Program again to save the value and return to the previous menu. An important note here: if the Program button is not pressed at this point, the new value will not be saved. Scroll through the Control menu until you see ESC, or Escape. Press the Program button to select Escape and return to the previous menu. Repeat this process using the Escape function until you've exited the Program menu and the controller shows the default display. You can view and confirm your new temperature set point by pressing the Temperature Set Point button at the top right position on the controller. Thank you for watching! Visit thermofisher.com/TSG to learn more.